Okay.
Explain.
So I have to make this first step. First step, you make this 4, right? With this, that's the first one. Okay. Second one, blue, orange.
Okay.
So you have to find a corner. This 4 corner. This blue, this orange, blue. So this one gonna be here because this one blue, this one orange. So like this. See that?
Yeah.
Same thing. Green, red. Same thing. Green, red. So it's gonna be here. You see that? And then same thing. Orange and green. Orange here, green here. So this one gonna be right here. Right? And the last one gonna be here. Okay? Then you got the second step. Hold Y, all of this. Right? Then now we serve the bottom one, like the second row. You're gonna see like this. This one green, this one red. So it's gonna be right here because this one red, this one green. So this one gonna be right here. Do like this. You see? You see? Same thing. We're gonna find orange and green. Orange and green. So this one gonna be right here. Same ribbon. See? Now blue and red. So red here, blue here. Red here, blue here. So this one right here. Same thing. Last one. You see? It's not the right one. Because I want blue here and orange here. So you have to do one step like this to make that happen. Blue here, orange here. So when you do that, it's gonna be right here. See? Right. And now the third that's the third step. The next one, we're gonna put this one first. Like orange gonna be here, blue gonna be here, red gonna be here, green gonna be here. So you see here is all of yellow. So to do that, you do like this. Let all the yellow on the top, because you see all the one is on there, so it's different every time. So you see yellow here but nothing here. I'm gonna do the lift it like this. That yellow gonna be on top. Now we have blue, red, green, orange. Okay, now the fifth one, number 5, we're gonna see this one is green, yellow, green, yellow and orange. So this one should be like right here, because this one green, orange, yellow should be on top. So to be able to do that, we do like this. So that one is right here. So now this one and this one, it should be turned. You see, it's in the right angle. Yeah, but it just needs to flip it. So it should be like that. We need 2 more steps. 1, 2. You're gonna count 4. See? Now this one and this one is the same now. So do the same thing. So 1, 2, and then you turn this 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Thank you, that's easy. In 5 minutes. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.